Good afternoon, Seth. It is Friday, April the 10th, 2020. Today we're going to be working on lesson 27 in your Kumon book on page 150. And we're going to be doing negative numbers with exponents, and we're going to be multiplying them. So let's look at our first one, and it's negative 2 to the 5th power times negative 3 to the 1st power. So we have negative 2 times 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 negative 3. Okay, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 3. Negative 8 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 3. And 16 times negative 2 times negative 3. 32, negative 32 times negative 3. I'm going to have to do that work. Negative 32, so we have a negative times a negative. That's going to give me a positive. 3 times 2 is 6. I get 96. Is my answer. Okay, let's look at our next one. Our next equation says negative 3 cubed times negative 2 squared. So I'm going to expand it to say negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 3, or positive 9 times negative 3 times 4. Positive 4, because negative times a negative is a positive. 9 times 3 is negative 27 times positive 4. 27 times 4, 8. 108. And that's not right. I did something wrong. 4 times 2 is 8. I guess that's right. Yep, that's right. 108. Negative 108, because it's a negative times a positive. Okay, let's look at number 3. Negative 1 to the 6th power times negative 3 to the 5th power. Now, I know that negative 1 to the 6th power is just 1, and it's positive because the exponent is even. So I'm left with 1 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. 1 times 3 is positive 9 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. 1 times negative 27 times negative 3 times negative 3. I have no idea what 27 times 3 is. 27 times 3 is 91. So I have 1 times negative 91 times negative 3. Excuse me, positive 91 times negative 3. 91 times 3. My answer is 273, and it's a negative. Okay, moving on to number 4. Negative 4 cubed times 2 to the 1st power. Anything to the 1st power is just itself, so I have negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 times 2. Negative 4 times negative 4 is what, Seth? Positive 16 times negative 4 times 2. I do not know what 16 times 4 is off the top of my head. I think it is 64 but I don't remember. And I'm right. 64, and it's negative. Negative 64 times 2. It's going to be a negative answer because a negative times a positive is a negative. I get a negative 128. Okay, let's keep going to number 5. We're going to do number 5 and 6, and I want you to do 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. 5 cubed times negative 2 to the second power. Okay, expand these. 5 times 5 times 5 times negative 2 times negative 2. 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 times positive 4. This is 125 times 4. Still don't know what that is. I'm going to have to do my math. 125 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 4, 500. I got 500 as my answer, and it's positive. Okay, let's do our final one, which is number 6. Then I want you to do the last 4 on your own. Negative 4 squared times negative 1/3 to the 4th power. So expand all of these. Negative 4 times negative 4 times 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3, and these are all negatives, so negative 1/3, negative, negative, negative. 4 times 4 is negative 4 times negative 4 is 16 times 1/3 times 1/3 is positive 1/9 times negative 1/3 times negative 1/3. 16 times negative 1/27 times negative 1/3. So a negative times a negative is a positive. 27 times 3. I got 81. 16 times 1/81, which would give me 16 81s. Okay, Seth, please complete 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.